Today we're going to be using the clear waterproof silicone caulk. Now this is made for kitchen and bath, and it's great for sealing jobs. It's designed to resist shrinking and cracking over time while maintaining a strong adhesion to surfaces like tile and porcelain. So we are going to go ahead and apply it where this nasty, cracked, worn out caulk was between the toilet and this tile floor. We're going to go ahead and remove this. I like to remove any caulk that's previously there. It's just going to help the adhesion and it's going to look so much better. So we're going to get this nasty stuff taken off, scrape it, clean it, and make sure that it's thoroughly dry before we go ahead and apply our new sealant. We're going to go ahead and open our new sealant. We're going to clip off the tip and we're going to be able to apply this slowly, okay? We want to do this in a consistent bead of clear silicone around the base where the toilet meets the floor and up along the tile edge where needed. We're going to hold this tube at a 45-degree angle, helping it keep it even. As you can tell, I'm wearing gloves here. I'm also going to be using my finger as soon as I'm done with this area to go through and kind of wipe and make sure that it stays all underneath that toilet. I can even use a damp paper towel if I choose to, but this will help create that professional finish. Once it dries for a little bit, I go ahead and I apply that second layer. I do this personally just to make sure that it's sealed consistently and smoothly and it's completely covered down there. This is going to help the seal settle into the gap and look neat. The area needs time to cure before it can get wet. Once fully cured, the silicone stays flexible and long-lasting in wet environments. Now, which one would you prefer? We were sent this silicone caulk to try out in our bathroom, and as you can tell, it's worked wonderfully.